Hi guys, so today's tutorial is based on a query I had a few days back whereby someone was asking how he can delete permanently a website. This is because in Power Pages Studio you have active sites and inactive sites. When you are in the active site, all your websites have two states. You will have the private. This is mainly when you are in development, that is, you don't want to make your website accessible to the public, and you also have the public state whereby you make your website accessible through the URL worldwide. Then you have the inactive sites. Now, sites become inactive or deactivated when you delete the sites. But now, deleting the site and putting it in an inactive state does not delete the site resources. Now, how are you going to delete the site permanently? So if I go back to my active sites, you see I have just one website, that is the Aka website, and I'm going to just click on the three dots here and I'll choose delete. Now you're going to notice that once the site is going to be deleted, it's going to go immediately in the inactive state. So we click on inactive site, we're going to find the site here. So we have the possibility to restore the site. But when the site is in the inactive site, it means that it's just in a permanent storage. That is, it's just like when you're deleting something on your computer, it goes to your trash and remains there for a while before it gets permanently deleted, but it still consumes space. So it's the same thing here. Your site is still consuming your space. So maybe perhaps you don't have enough storage and you want to permanently delete the site. Then from here, you just go, you click the three dot and you go to the portal management, because in the portal management that will be able to permanently delete our site. Now we are going to see our website here. So if we go to let's say we want to see maybe the pages of this website, I go to web pages. I'm still going to see that the web pages of our site are still there. So if I even go to, let's say, web files, you are still going to find those web files, meaning that they are still occupying the storage that they occupied when they were active. So to permanently delete this, I'll go back to website. I'm going to select our website and then click delete. That's it. So this now is going to erase everything and clean up your database, freeing up the space it had occupied. So if we go now and check, let's go to web files. We're going to see that our web file is empty, meaning that there is nothing. Go to web pages, our web page is empty, meaning that there is nothing. So basically that's it. If we go back to your Power Pages and then let's just refresh here. So you are going to see here now that you have no inactive websites, no active websites, and your database storage has expanded. So I hope this helps a lot. So thank you very much for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.